Why are we here? We are here because we want to create a better future. So let me tell about what my dream was. My dream was not to start a random sound engineering course. So I have done sound engineering from Mumbai under Mr. Daman Sood, who has recorded all the big films like Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Dil Will Dulhaniya Le Jayenge and all this big films. And I am his direct student. And I have 15 years of experience. And of course, I am fortunate enough to be the son and a brother of legendary musicians like my father and sister. So I have musical experience of 35 years. So that's why this course is not a sound engineering or music production course that you can get from any institute. This course is a very personalized, experience based, and very personally led music production course. Why? Because आप किसी इंस्टीट्यूट में जाओगे या यूट्यूब में जाओगे, वहां पर आपके लिए कोर्सेज डिजाइन नहीं है. That is the first point. Second is, you will learn from someone who has actually worked with people like Arijit Singh, people like Pratibha Singh Baghel, people like Anvesha, people like all these great people. And I have experienced different ideas from great people like Salim Merchant, Sonu Nigam, Shankar Madhavan. And I am very fortunate enough that they have loved me dearly. So वो एक्सपीरियंस इसको आपके साथ शेयर करना, वो आप किसी के पास कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूशन में जाके आपको वो नहीं मिलने वाला. It is not a typical course that teaches how to use a microphone and how to use a compressor and how to use a reverb and delay. वो तो है ही, उसके लिए आपका प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, उसके लिए आपका क्लासेस हैं. लेकिन जो एक्सपीरियंस आपको मेरे सेशंस पे मिलेंगे, यू कैन सी audio track of Arijit Singh. You can see a song, how the song has been arranged, how the guitars has been played, what microphone has been done. So that you guys have seen. These guys have seen me producing a complete song from zero to a complete song and the mixing of that. They have seen, and then they have done the same thing themselves, and they are still learning. And most of them is doing a great job. So that is something you need to remember, that this course is not a technical course. That is first. Second is, you normally don't get to learn from top-notch equipments. So the equipments you see, these are all very expensive equipments. You're not learning from a Soundcraft mixer or a Focusrite sound card. So you have universal audio sound cards. You have SSL compressors, Manley EQs, Grace Design preamplifiers, Line 6 guitar processors, UAD preamplifiers. You have got all the UAD plugins that exists in UAD. You've got all the best plugins here. So you are getting Genelec speakers which are top-notch, has completely handcrafted from Finland. So all these latest gears and premium quality. That is the most important part of this course. I didn't want that students of Bengal gets a amateurish course which they unfortunately cannot afford to go to Bombay and spend 3 lakhs rupees in 10 months. Because if you go to Bombay and spend 3 lakhs rupees for a 10 months course, उसके साथ रहने का, खाने का सब खर्च के, you're going to spend almost 10 times of the course fees you are paying here. But with me, you are not only learning from a technician who is a technical sound engineer, you're learning from a musician who has also a technical background. So keep in mind that you are not learning, you're experiencing. You're experiencing stuffs that normally don't happen in other sound engineering courses. और उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए, please understand ये कोर्स जो है ये लाइटर कोर्स नहीं है कि थोड़ा गया, थोड़ा कर लिया, थोड़ा हो गया, चलो हो गया. This is a very dedicated course. This is for dedicated learners, serious learners, not for hobby musicians. ये जो यहाँ पर सब बैठे हैं, ये लोग जो हैं उनमें से कुछ कुछ हैं जो हर क्लास में आते हैं, जब भी बोलता हूँ तभी भी आते हैं, उनका दूसरा कुछ सोच नहीं है. ऐसा होता है कि 6 महीने बाद वही लोग टिकते हैं ज़्यादा, बिकॉज इसमें कंसिस्टेंसी इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. हाँ, किसके लिए होता है कि शायद दूसरा कुछ काम है, उसके लिए वो आ नहीं पाते, लेकिन फिर भी सीखना चाहते हैं. I'm not judging that they are bad or something. लेकिन ये जो है, जैसे कि they have learned compressor, they know how to use a compressor, but still they don't know the exact sound of a 1 dB makeup gain of a compressor, क्योंकि उसके लिए उनको practice करना पड़ेगा. Now they know the knowledge, अभी उनको practice करके 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 experience करना है. So you can see that what experienced students know, they are experienced students, but they are not experienced sound engineers. क्योंकि उनको अरेंजमेंट को समझने के लिए 50 गाने को अभी अरेंजमेंट करना है, उसके बाद उनको लगेगा कि अच्छा ओके मीडी ऐसा है, ऑडियो ऐसा है, कंप्रेशन ऐसा है. जैसे कि अ फैमिली मेंबर, अभी मान लो आपका कोई भाई या आपका कोई चाचा, वो सब बाहर था, अब्रॉड में काम करते थे, अब उनको जानते हो, फोन में बातचीत किए हैं, लेकिन कभी आपके साथ नहीं रहा. नाउ ही हैज कम टू स्टे विथ यू. तो पहले दिन में तो आपका सब कुछ चर्चा नहीं होगा, फिर आप उसके साथ अगर 10 साल रहोगे, then you know that person very well. Or let's say we all fall in love. We bring someone who has not been in our life for the first 20 or 30 years. But still, after marriage, that person becomes the most important person of our life. जितना उनके साथ रहते हो, उतना वो संबंध जो है वो गहराई में जाता है. करेक्ट? Similarly, music production is not a technique. It's a knowledge, and the technique and the depth of the technique is achieved through practice and being with it. Don't treat this as a subject. Treat this as your family member who is going to take your musical ideas into future, into profession and your purpose of music. इसको ध्यान में रखते इसको करोगे. और please don't miss the classes, क्योंकि क्लासेस में जो भी होगा it's structured, कि आपका मंथ 1 में क्या हो रहा है, मंथ 2 में क्या हो रहा है, मंथ 3 में क्या हो रहा है. और अनंजन स्टूडियो, और अब नाउ आई कॉल इट लाइक अ इकोसिस्टम, नॉट जस्ट स्टूडियो, बिकॉज आई हैव अ इकोसिस्टम ऑफ everything for everyone. What it means, I have an ecosystem for singers and musicians. Let's say you guys want to get promoted as musicians. I have something called Ananjan Indies, जहाँ पर आर्टिस्ट को प्रमोट किया जाता है. आप अपना गाना रिकॉर्ड करना चाहते हो, या आप अपना कीबोर्ड रिकॉर्ड करना चाहते हो एज अ म्यूजिशियन, और उसको प्रमोट करना चाहते हो वीडियो बना के, ऑडियो बना के, इन दिस स्टूडियो इट्स पॉसिबल. अगर आप गाना सीखना चाहते हो, अगर आप गिटार या कीबोर्ड सीखना चाहते हो, अगर आप मान लो अपना म्यूजिकल करियर के बारे में बिजनेस आइडियाज चाहते हो कि सोशल मीडिया में कैसे करना है, इट्स अवेलेबल. सो आई ऑलवेज वांटेड दैट स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट्स टू क्रिएट म्यूजिक by production or by singing or by musician, और उनको promotion के लिए अगर कुछ ज़रूरत हो, so I can create an ecosystem where everything is available for anyone and whatever need they have. So that is why you are here. और ये पूरा जो ecosystem है, इसके बारे में properly समझाना, ये शुरू में ज़रूरत है. इसको मैंने समझ रहा था. That's why I gave this ज्ञान to you, not to bore you. Okay.